LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S7 and Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Guys, so I'm on the Verizon support page, and so if you guys have Verizon Wireless and you guys have a Galaxy S7 or a Galaxy S7 Edge, you guys are getting Oreo starting today. So I'm on the support pages here, so I have the S7 page loaded up here, and also the S7 Edge page loaded up here as well. So Oreo is now on the S7 on Verizon, and that's good and all that, but I'm kind of pissed at the same time because the S7 got Oreo before the LG V20 did, which I'm kind of pissed about that. So it is what it is, guys. So let's go check this out. So it says here, Verizon Wireless is pleased to announce a software update for your device. This software update has been tested to optimize device performance, resolve known issues, and apply the latest security patches. Before you download, connect your device to Wi-Fi, or make sure it has a strong Verizon wireless connection. Ensure your battery is fully charged before starting the update. The update is version 22. As you guys see here, it's G930VBRU4CRE5. That's the software version. It has April 1st security patch. So yeah, I think it has a newer security patch though. I guess Verizon just haven't updated that part just yet. This software update brings the latest Android Oreo OS tools for you to improve your productivity, such as app pair, dual messenger, and high contrast keyboard, as well as UI improvements to your phone dialer. The latest Android security patch is also included, but I think it's probably May security patch on this. So we got the features right here. Android Oreo benefits. As you guys know what features of the Android Oreo are. The main one is autofill and picture-in-picture. Those are the main ones. It says background limits. Android Oreo helps minimize background activity in the apps you use least, providing better device performance. Autofill. This is where you can save your passwords and stuff like that. Autofill remembers login and passwords for quick access to your favorite apps. As you guys see right here, you can use any password manager application that you want. I use LastPass, and I suggest you guys use that. If you guys want to use LastPass and try it out, I'll put my referral link in the description of this video, so go check that out. So yeah, you have autofill there, picture-in-picture for apps, lets you see two apps at once for easy or multitasking there. It's available for certain apps though, like YouTube and Google Maps. So there it is. There's Google Maps right there, and there's the web browser there, so that's pretty cool. App notification dots. Press the notification dots to quickly scan what's new and clear them by swiping away. So as you guys see right there, it has notification dots and stuff like that. Use two apps with just one tap. App pair lets you launch two apps and use them side by side on the immersive infinity display. It's not infinity display, it's just a regular display there. It's not infinity, it's a 16:9 screen there. Add an app pair icon to your home screen for one touch access there. So yeah, this app's edge right there. There's you got maps from YouTube there if you want to. So you can have any app you want. The UI has not changed much. It has not really changed. The the weather wedge is still the same, kind of. You really don't. Well, actually, that's actually kind of changed a little bit there. It has like the SA font thing, which is pretty cool. I'm a big fan of that. But the UI itself really has not changed too much. dual messenger. This is for like Samsung devices or whatnot. Your Galaxy S7 has dual messenger capability, letting you use 2 accounts on the same chat app. Keep separate accounts for work and home, but on the same phone. You can find dual messenger in settings, advanced features. So like Facebook is a good example for that. So if you guys have a personal Facebook page and you have like a Facebook fan page for like your YouTube channel or whatever the case may be, you can do that there. High contrast keyboard options. Android Oreo provides several different high contrast keyboards to customize your device experience. So there's a high contrast keyboard. Not a fan of that. That just looks ugly as fuck in my opinion. I would rather have like the dark theme keyboard or whatnot. Phone screen updates. The new phone screen swaps the remote and keypad icons to help prevent accidental hitting mute during calls. So that's pretty good. So yeah, you guys got that there. Smart Things app. I guess this is like a Samsung thing or whatever. It says Smart Things app allows you to monitor and control a wide range of devices such as Samsung Smart TVs, home appliances, and Smart Things compatible devices. Replaces Quick Connect. Alright. So it's basically a Samsung thing there, and you guys can read more about it there. So that's what you get in the update there on the Galaxy S7. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing on the S7 Edge. As you guys see right there, same thing, except for this one has a bigger screen and whatnot. So basically, I'm not gonna read you guys all this stuff over again, because it's basically the same thing as you guys can see right here. You know, it has everything that the S7 has and whatnot. So yeah, the S7 on Verizon now is getting Oreo as we speak. I'm kind of pissed about that because the V20 is still nougat, and I think we'll get Oreo this month on the V20. I think we will get it this month, but I'm just kind of pissed off that the S7 got Oreo before the V20 did, because the V20 is newer than the S7. The S7 is like 2 years and like 3 months old now. The V20 is like a year and a half old now. So the V20 is newer than the S7. The S7's been out longer. So I'm kind of pissed at the V20. I'm kind of pissed that the S7 got Oreo before the V20 did. But that's just me, you know what I'm saying. But I do think that we will get Oreo this month. I don't know about the US carriers getting it this month for the V20. I don't know about it this month. We should be getting it any time now, because the Sprint and Verizon G6 has already gotten Oreo. So we have to wait for T-Mobile and AT&T to do theirs, and then the V20 could start rolling out. So I do think that we'll get Oreo this month. I don't know about the US carriers getting it this month though. We'll just have to wait and see, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man. So if you guys got Verizon and you guys got a Galaxy S7 or Galaxy S7 Edge, you guys are getting Oreo as we speak. So yeah, that's a fucking win right there, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys have gotten the update, let me know, and let me know what you guys think about Oreo. Keep in mind, guys, after you guys update your phone to Oreo, back up everything. Back up all your data before you factory reset the phone, because after a major software update like this, you need to factory reset your phone to erase the old system file so your phone doesn't, you know, lag and whatnot. So after you update the Oreo, back up all your the data, your apps, pictures, everything that you guys can back up. Update the Oreo. Factory reset the phone after you update the Oreo, and then, you know, reinstall your apps and whatnot and all that. So Make sure that you guys factory reset the phone before you guys factory reset the phone. After you update the Oreo, make sure that you guys back up your data first for doing that. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and they'll help you guys out a lot. So that's all pretty much it. That's pretty much it here, guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.